Chuku, come to me. Flu, FLU, flu virus, flu virus. Nache kwanta. Flu virus. Nache kwanta. President Buhari, Nigerian former president. Flu virus. Yaikashi. Flu virus. Yaikashi. Amasalachi. Wallahi, flu virus. Zekikwa sheshi. Back to business. Ikpumkpu. IKPU. Ikpumkpu. Cover. And Ikwalu. To take them out and free us. Ikwalu. Flu, virus, whatever their name are, whatever the name they choose to answer, all flu, Ikwalu, flu, humanity, freedom, to free us worldwide. Flu virus, Yaikashi, flu virus, Niger, flu virus, Hausa, flu virus, Yaikashi, Amasalachi. Wallahi, flu virus, Zekikwa sheshi, Sariki, Kuduru, Biu, Sariki, Kuduru, Biu, to destroy the flu virus wherever they are rising from, their base. I use all animals, roster sense. All animals, roster sense. 3 bitter colors, male dog, nkita, male dog, okay nkita, male dogs, okay obagu, utinku chicken, 4 he-goats, baby powders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins. Destroy and turn all of them upside down. I destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Then to block them, I use all animals, roster sense. 33 bitter colors, uncountable rabbits. Ebo ngene green, blocking. Chuku and Ndotie, walls, all colors blocking. Be physical and spiritual giant walls. Block all the flu. FLU, flu. The virus, whatever name they answer. Making, sometimes they make everybody sick. And sometimes they say, we have flu season. Many falling sick because of flu. Block them in the north and the south and the east and in the west. Then to cover all of them, I use trash bags, plastic bags, black blankets, aquoji, bring all of them together, cover all of them, bring them down, put all of them in basket, cover all of them, tie them, chain them, blind them, block, bury them, cover all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Then Ikwalu, I use all animals, Ikwalu flu. I use all animals, roosters, swans, frogs, goats, agama lizards, owls, grasshoppers, oranges, sugar pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colors. Use them like Ikwalu, take all the flus. Whatever name they choose to answer, all the flu, take them out. From now, generation to come, take them out, like Ikwalu, take them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Then the ones already in the body system, in any place, in blood, in any place in our system, in human system worldwide, to cast them out from our body system, from all the flu, whatever name they choose. I use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goats, agama lizards, owls, grasshoppers, oranges, sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colas, burning incense, come to me, burning sage, come to me. I use them, cast all of them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and banish them out, cast them out. And from our family, from our foundation, from our home, from in our room, in our foundation, cast them out. All come together. Prayer come together. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, all foundation, all countries, series, states, in all legislation, executive, judicial, in all places, in all foundation. We stand, we pot, and we use water, boil eggs, drinks, fruit, food, cigarette, weed for those that smoke, beer, wine, all you take that are good to your body, that are good to the health, and all the medication you take, we use them. Welcome this prayer into our body foundation. Science and technologies, their power, authorities, manifestation, and healing, and be free from all flu worldwide. All will be free. We free ourselves from all flu in the north and the south, in the east, and in the west. Prayer transfer to all hospitals worldwide, USA hospitals, dentals, psych wards, psychiatric hospitals, all doctors' offices, inpatient, outpatient, worldwide. Transfer to recuperative cares, to Serenity recuperative cares. All my prayers and all come together, and this transfer to all nursing homes, group homes where they take care of the sick, the disabled, the seniors, and wounded warriors. I used to donate $25 to them when I was working in the past in security. Every month I donate $25 to the United States wounded warriors. Transfer to them. Transfer to all for free. Transfer to all recuperative cares. Transfer to Serenity recuperative care. Transfer to Wesley recuperative care. Transfer to all police, sheriffs, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marine, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration, loss prevention, bouncers. Transfer to all securities worldwide. Transfer to Allied Universal Securities, Security, their foundation, science and technologies, and their officers. Transfer to Securitas, all my prayers. Transfer to them. I started liking them too. Transfer to Securitas, all my prayer. Transfer to them, their foundation, science and technologies, their officers. Peace to you guys. Transfer into all sports, all the league, both men and women, the young and the adults, all the league, the youth. Transfer to them. Transfer to Premier League, Champions League, all my prayer. And this, transfer there. Transfer to my Chelsea, the Blues, the Blues, the Blues, Chelsea, Chelsea, Chelsea. Transfer to my Chelsea FC. Transfer to Chelsea men and women, our team. Transfer to LA Galaxy. LA Galaxy, LA Galaxy, LA Galaxy. Transfer to LA Galaxies. Galaxy Academy, Galaxy U15, Galaxy U17, Galaxy 2. All the galaxies and the senior galaxies. All our fans, all our galaxies, transfer to them. And all our players, transfer to them. Transfer into MLS. Transfer into NBA. Transfer to Lakers, my team, Los Angeles Lakers. and other good teams there, transfer to them. And all that tap in to join, copy and use them. But you must be a good person. Let go all negativities. Take them out from you, from yourself. Ready to move the world forward. Then all the prayers work for you guys. Transfer into MLB, transfer to Dodgers, transfer to NFL, transfer to Los Angeles Rams, my team. Transfer to NHL hockey, transfer to LA Kings, transfer to LAFC. I like them too. Transfer to Club.Sanko, my club. Transfer to us. Transfer to Club America, Mexico. Transfer to them. Transfer into all the Mexican league. All my prayers transfer to them. Transfer to all Mexicans, Mexico countries, all Mexicans worldwide. Transfer to them. Transfer to Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent. Transfer to all the Igbos, Igbo land, Igbos worldwide. Transfer to us. And move us forward. Transfer to us for free. I mentioned your name, I didn't mention your name. Transfer to you. All my friends and well-wishers, all Nkwuaku family, Akamitalo family, all our friends and well-wishers and supporters, Okeke family, Okafo family, Omo Echete, Enugu Aguku Nawabia, Enugu Agede, Enugu Aguku Nawabia, Enugu Agede, Aki village in Enugu where I came from. Transfer to them. All my prayer transfer to them. I move my village forward, move my town forward, move my state, Anambra, forward. Transfer to Peter Obi, transfer to my governor, Soludo, Chukwuma Soludo, my state governor, all my prayers, transfer to him. I love him so much. And when he ran, I was praying for him seriously. Though I couldn't go back to vote, but I was here praying. And he won, I was very happy. I love his energy, transfer to him and all his government. Moving our state forward. He's a peaceful, filled with peace. He's peace governor. Moving everybody forward, carrying us, the state. And moving everybody forward. Transfer to him and his families and his siblings and his all that love him, transfer to them. Transfer to all states in Nigeria. Transfer to the north, south, east, and west. All transfer to us. Transfer to Hausa, Fulanese. Transfer to Yoruba, all Yorubas. All my prayer transfer to them. Transfer to Igbos, all the other languages in Nigeria. Transfer to them. Transfer into all entertainment. Transfer into all movies, movie theaters, movie industries, Hollywood, Nollywood, all the movie industries in all countries. Transfer to all studios, music industries, musicians. Transfer to Marvel Studio, transfer to Warner Bros. Transfer to all stand-up comedies worldwide. Nigerian stand-up comedy. Transfer to them. Transfer to AY Live, and all the comedians in Nigeria, all comedians worldwide. Laugh Factory in USA, other countries' language stand-up comedy. Transfer to them. Let all stand-up comedy stand up and skyrocket. All the comedy industries, upcoming comedians stand up. Upcoming comedians all stand up. Shows everywhere. We scatter everywhere. Everybody laugh out, laugh away their sorrows, laugh away their disease, laugh away their sickness, and all problems in life. Laugh away, laugh all of them off, laugh them out, and be happy and be healthy. They are therapy. Comedy, stand-up comedy, they are therapy. Transfer to all for free and moving us forward. Transfer to all Freemasonries worldwide. I would love to go to Masonic Temple. They are the next to explore. Stay with them. The Masons, the men, stay in their midst, in their meeting. Their men, stay there, listen to them talk. Stay, go to their meeting. They pick me up, take me to their meeting, to their lodges, to their dinner, when they eat and feed. Go to Freemasonries. They are my next dream. Masonic temple, go there. And sometimes I go sit on 33 degree. I go sit on 33 degree Freemasonries. I go sit there and nothing will happen. Transfer to all Masons worldwide. To be one, you ask one. To be one, you ask one. Who goes there? Poor candidates from the world of darkness. Transfer to all Freemasonries worldwide. Transfer to Masons worldwide. Transfer to all the Amok, the seclusions. Transfer to Ekis, the Ekanka. Transfer to all for free. Transfer to Oboni. Transfer to Wicca. Transfer to all using witchcraft to bless. Transfer to all. Transfer to Boy Scout, Girl Scout. Transfer to us. Transfer to all for free. I mentioned your name, I didn't mention your name. Transfer to you guys. Forward. So Moribi. Say. Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Staying in North Chicago Street. East Los Angeles, California. Chilling and happy in Serenity Cooperative Care. Transfer to them and all their staffs and other sites and future upcoming sites when Serenity gets big. Have their branches in all states. Then I become I'm working for them, become their chief priest, like their chaplain, moving from site to site to pray for their residents, their new intake, their old intake, moving them forward and praying for the foundation. They are my childhood dream, to be in the monastery, be at the front line for others, praying for the world, like a mediator, like an intercessor, be in the monastery, to be a priest, like a monk in the monastery. Stay there the rest of my life, praying for the world, praying for everybody. They are my childhood dream. But now in the dream, I bring them into society, into the outer world. Now I want to see with my eyes who I'm praying for. No longer staying in cluster or inside the monastery. Now I want to be moving around, praying for everybody. See who I'm praying for. And follow up to their recovery. They are my dream. All interested. Hire me and give me that job praying for your foundation. Hospitals, sports, or foundation. Hire me. They are my dream. Praying and moving all forward. Whatever title you give me, but they must be moving around in ERs, emergencies, in hospitals, in psych ward, in the cooperative cares, all places, all spots. Praying like they become like a ministry, like a fellowship. And the name, because the name of the fellowship, the name Sanko FM, Traditional Temple of Truth. Truth Temple, basically on tradition, cultures, moving all tradition, cultures forward, all religion, all moving all forward, like technology, the energy, the prayer, all religion, all that comes, all beliefs, all cultures, all foundation. When they come, we pray for them. They become my job, moving around, doing that. They are my childhood dream. Flu virus. Nache kwanta. Wallahi talai. Flu virus. Yaikashi. Amasalasi. Wallahi. Flu virus. Zeki kwa sheshi.